Hi, my name's Alfia. I've been in the automotive industry for 30 years now, all the way from running my own car dealerships to fixed stops to owning my first business as a service house repair facility here in Dallas, Texas, while I was still in college. So pretty much anything that's in the automotive industry, I've pretty much done it all and seen it all, and I'd love to share my experiences with you. One of the things that I always tell clients that I speak to and advise and consult with is about the customer experience, uncovering the customer experience, finding out what kind of experiences customers are having, good or bad, amplifying the good to review sites and testimonial videos, etc. And for the negative reviews, how to uncover those quickly and resolve those issues quickly to the favor of the customer, if at all possible, and then making sure that customer is satisfied with the solution and keeps coming back and becoming a customer for life. In this workshop, I'm going to teach dealerships how to not only be able to quickly and easily get customers to leave you real in-the-moment feedback as soon as they leave your dealership, but also what to do with that feedback, how to amplify happy customers, and how to capture unhappy customers and turn them into customers for life within minutes of them having that experience.